Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another WMA video, weekly market analysis. Alright guys, here we are on EURUSD's fire chart. We can see that we got these two major static areas plus this tiny trend line. So we can see that we had a couple of reactions here to this static area. So if it wanted to go up, at least wait for this trend line to be broken. Then also looking for long trades. At least the target will be this static area. But if we want to come down, wait for the static area to be broken, then a possible correction or pullback, then you can start looking for short trades. On NZUSD's fire chart, we can see that we got this major static area plus this major trend line. So this static area was broken last week, and it seems like we're making a pullback to it right now. If the pullback was confirmed, you can start looking for short trades, but in case this static area was broken, then this trend line was broken too, you can start looking for long trades. On AUDUSD's fire chart, the same as NZUSD, we got this major static area plus this trend line. So if it made a pullback to this broken static area, then made a reversal, you can start looking for short trades. But in case it came up and this whole thing was a fake breakout, the static area and the trend line were both broken, you can start looking for long trades at least until this other static area. On GJ's fire chart, we can see that we got these two major static areas. We can see that last week this static area was broken, so I'm expecting a tiny pullback to it, and then you can start looking for short trades. But in case it was a fake breakout and want to go up, wait for the static area to be broken, then a possible correction or a pullback, then you can start looking for long trades at least until this other static area. On NZDJPY's fire chart, we got this major static area with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 major reactions to it, so it's a valid one. If it was supported here, you can start looking for long trades at least until this other static area, but in case it was broken and wants to come down, wait for a possible correction or pullback, then you can start looking for short trades. On CHFJPY's fire chart, we can see that we got this static area with 4 reactions to it. And last week we can see that the reaction was made to it, so if it wanted to go up, you can start looking for long trades at least until this other high. But in case it was broken and wanted to come down, wait for a possible correction or a pullback, then you can start looking for short trades. On GBP-CAD's fire chart, we can see that we got these major static areas plus this trend line. So all I'm saying is that if it was a double bottom here and it wanted to go up, wait for this trend line to be broken, then start looking for long trades. But in case it was the continuation of the trend and wanted to come down, wait for a static area to be broken, then a possible correction or a pullback, then you can start looking for short trades. On EuroCAD's fire chart, we can see that we got these 3 major static areas with a lot of reactions to them. So all I'm saying is that if it was supported here on this static area, you can start looking for long trades at least until this other static area. But in case it was broken, then a possible correction or pullback was made, you can start looking for short trades. On AUDNZD's fire chart, we got these 2 major static areas with tons of reactions to them. So if it was supported here, which it seems like it's going to be supported because of this reaction last week, you can start looking for long trades at least until this other static area. I'm sorry, but in case this static area was broken and it wanted to come down, you can start looking for short trades after a possible correction or a pullback. On CAD-CHF's fire chart, we got these 2 major static areas. So all I'm saying is that if a reaction was made to this static area and wanted to come down, you can start looking for short trades at least until this other static area. But in case it was broken and wants to go up, wait for a possible correction or a pullback, then you can start looking for long trades.